Welcome to another Willard Library virtual Crafternoon. In this video, you will learn how to make a tea light snowman. This craft requires only a few simple supplies. First, you will need one flameless, battery-powered LED tea light. This one has an on-off switch on the bottom. One pipe cleaner that measures about 2 inches in length. A piece of ribbon for your snowman scarf. This one is about 3/8 inches wide and measures 4 inches long. It's also cut at an angle on both ends. 2 pompoms that are 1/2 inch in diameter and are the same color. Another piece of ribbon. This one should be 1/8 inch wide and about 8 inches long. You will also need a black permanent marker to draw on your snowman's face. And lastly, a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. Keep in mind that craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Library at no cost while supplies last. The first thing I'm going to do is attach a ribbon loop to the back of the candle. This way I can easily hang the snowman up for decoration. Another option would be to attach a magnet to the back and put it on your refrigerator. You could also attach a safety pin and wear it on your holiday sweater. There are all sorts of possibilities with this project. Next, I'm going to glue on the pipe cleaner as the headband part of my snowman's earmuffs. I'm using the loop that we glued onto the back of the snowman as a reference for the center of where my pipe cleaner needs to go. Now that the headband is in place, I'm going to glue a pom-pom on either end of the pipe cleaner. This is going to complete my snowman's earmuffs. Of course, no snowman is complete without a scarf. Take your 4-inch ribbon, fold it in half, and then place a small dot of glue in the center. Glue one side of the scarf over onto the other, but make sure that they don't line up. You want the scarf to look like it's blowing in the wind. Put a small amount of hot glue on the bottom of the snowman's face, and then place your scarf just like this. Draw on 2 eyes and a mouth with your black permanent marker. For the final step, turn the candle over, remove the plastic tab, and switch on the on button to make Frosty come to life. Happy holidays!